In this video, let me show you how to handle reimbursements inside of YNAB. Whether you have any kinds of reimbursements, you can create a particular target for those and then you can add them as transactions. I have this category called reimbursement. You'll also need to do the same. So create a separate category for all of your reimbursements. Tap on the edit icon on the top right. And then right here, you need to create a category called reimbursements. Just tap on the three dotted line on the top right. Tap on new category group, name this as reimbursement. Once you do, you can also add in subcategories. So any type of reimbursement that you may have, tap on the three dotted line right here. Once you do, you will be able to add in the exact amount that you need to receive from any of these transactions. Once these reimbursements now have been created, you can now tap on transactions on the bottom, tap on the pay option, and then select your pay, select your category and the amount, and then the account that you want to use. Let's make this as cleared, and then you can add in the amount that you've so far received. So for example, under roommates, I've assigned $100 as reimbursements. So if I now receive $20 or 20 pounds, tap on save on the bottom right, and as you can see, the total is now 70 as I've already received 50, and by adding 30 it becomes 70. So you can look at all of the stats of your reimbursements on the categories or the budgets page. So that was a quick video about the way that you handle reimbursements inside of YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.